Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back. So we got the modified hydro right here. It's a little early today before the wind picks up. It's been a little windy these past few days, so we're gonna throw a pack in her. We'll get the GPS tracking and we'll throw in the water. I changed the tune up a little bit. I raised the strut again and I went away from the neutral position and I gave it a little bit of a positive angle, and I swapped out the prop from a 1414 ABC to a 1214 ABC. So let's see how it works. Stop. Track. Start. There we go. All right, guys, wish us luck. Oh, she's not as violent with this 1214 than she was with the 1414. Avoiding the buoys, avoiding the buoys. Hooking nice in the turns. Let me check what is going on here. Let's see what she did there. Stop. Read. Oh, this is GPS. There you go, 1 mile an hour. Oh, I'm so over this GPS. I may need to get closer to it. I'm like right here. All right, it's tracking. All right, let's try that again. She cavitates a lot more with the 1214 than she does the 1414. That 1414 takes right off. All right, let's bring her back and see what she did. Let's bring her back and see what she did. Don't hit the curb. Oh my God, it lost all signal. There you go. Read 42. Start. Let's do that again. Oh, that 1414 prop was working way, way better. I am using the swoop fin though, so. That's the battery. I'm only using the 1800 pack of them. Let's bring her back. Don't hit the curb. Dad calling me. Sorry, Dad. Not right now. Stop. Look at that. Again. There it is. Keeps losing. Stop. Read. 42. Should be way faster. Let's give her one more pass. One more pass. Almost hit that buoy. There's no room to even hit full trigger here. Let's see what she did. That wasn't bad. How's the battery anyways? Pull her out. Let's see. Stop. $49. Getting there. Getting there. Getting there. We need to go back to that 1414 or another prop that I'm prepping at the garage right now. All right. Not bad. Not bad at all. Nice and dry. GPS came out. Let's check some temps real quick. Okay, motor 81, 82, ESC 88, connector 75, battery 103. All right. Anyways, that was a quick rip, guys. And we're calling it. We're out of here. We'll see you guys later.